Dear learners, today we are going to learn about variables, specifically discrete and continuous. Myself, I am Vishwanathan J, belongs to Tamil Nadu, working as an assistant professor in Dr. Sivandi Aditana College of Physical Education. In research, there are a lot of variables are there. Specifically in this COVID-19 pandemic, there are a lot of approaches. New variables are bound to be emerged. For example, cluster approach. One of the medical specialists emphasized that in order to prevent the cluster type of spread, that is what spread the coronavirus to the 5 and 5 to the 25 to so on. This is called the cluster spread. In order to prevent such a cluster spread, we have to adopt the syndromic approach. Likewise, there are a lot of terminologies and new variables are flying about. After this end of this presentation, you can able to understand what the variable is, and also you can able to differentiate which one is discrete and which one is continuous. Variable is the characteristic changes from time to time, place to place, and individual to individual. Such a possessive characteristic, if one can able to measure it, then it is said to be a variable. Generally speaking, variable is the characteristics that tend to be varying in nature. Regarding the types of variables, there are two types, namely discrete and continuous variable. Regarding the discrete variable, it allows the whole numbers, that is integers. In continuous variable, it allows the fractions, that is decimals. For example, for discrete series, number of children in the family, we can say that 2 children or 3 children or 4 children likewise, but we cannot say 200 children or 300 children like this, because it never allows the fraction, only the whole number. Whereas in continuous variable, it allows the fractions. For example, the height of the student, let us say, for example, 5.7, that is 5 feet 7 inches. So it allows the fractions. Such characteristics falls under the category of continuous variable. In sports, regarding the discrete variable, we can say number of goals in the football match, that is 2 or 3. Same like as in continuous variable, performance of the athlete in the 100-meter race, 10 flat, that is 10.5, 10 seconds and 5 microseconds. So as I said, in research there are a lot of variables are there. I have only tried to touch very few uses. For instance, if you go for your analytical research, that is regressional or predictive type of researches, relationship type of researches, then you should know what the dependent and independent variable is. When you go for your experimental type of research, then you should know what the intervening and confounding variable is. Regarding the statistical technique you adopt, for example, structural equation model, then you should know what the latent variable is. PLS, partial least square method, that is, if you go for it, then you must know what the moderator and mediator variable is. Then if you go for a non-parametric statistics, then you should know the category of variable is. So this presentation, the issues is raised here are only indicative. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.